Hey guys, I've got a quick little tutorial for you as well as a suggestion on a good gift idea. So I'm going to show you how to use a cocktail smoker. Here we go. All right, so these are relatively simple and they don't have a whole lot of parts to them, so they're easy to store, easy to clean. Basically, I've got my bourbon here in a glass. You can smoke pretty much anything you have an interest in smoking. Wine, bourbon, certainly. You could even do some cheese cubes and that sort of thing if that's your interest. The reason people smoke various drinks is it does add a nice flavor and aroma to the drink. And so when you buy the kits, these smoker kits come with various smoking fuel, as they call it, and it just looks like wood shavings, if you can see that. And you put a little bit of those in your smoker, and it'll add that aroma and that flavor. So let's get to it. Three basic components to most smokers. You've got your actual smoker assembly there that's got the filter inside of it that's cleanable. Obviously you've got your smoker chips, and then you've got your flame source, your lighter. These do get pretty hot and they are pretty specific to a smoker. So let me show you how this works. So step one, set your smoker on your favorite drink. Step two, add some fuel, and you can do that about 3/4 of the way up. Step three, add the flame and exhaust the fuel source. And we're going to let that sit for about 3 minutes, and that's going to let it add the flavor. All right, and roughly 3 minutes later, you have your drink. So the smoke fuel comes in different flavors. It varies depending on your personal preference as well as the drink or substance that you're adding the smoke to. These make a great gift idea. Again, you can smoke just about anything that's edible or drinkable. Look for a link in the description, as well as details on how to get one as a gift. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you on the next one.